Good morning, everybody. A very good morning to all of you, bachcho. I am back with another notification of a job that has recently come out. So, as I have told you guys, this year many notifications are coming out, many exams are coming out. So, if your GATE 2021 hasn't went well, you don't need to be demotivated. You are going to get a lot of opportunities, and one of those opportunities is Uttarakhand Power Corporation Limited. So, there are 79 vacancies in this, out of which 72 vacancies are for electrical and mechanical and 7 vacancies are for civil. So let's see about this job, and I hope you guys are going to like it. And if you like it, please do apply for this job because no opportunity should go waste. But before we start, let me introduce myself. My name is Ankit Goyal. I got AIR1 twice in GATE in 2014 and 2018. I was awarded President of India Gold Medal in the year 2013 when I graduated from IIT Indore. Till date, I have trained more than 1 lakh students in the online and the offline classes and presently working as a director at Unacademy for GATE department. So this is all about me, guys. But what matters the most is that you have the entire support of Unacademy, which is more than an organization. It is a mission, a revolution to empower each and every student of the country to get free quality education and crack top government exams, get government jobs, get top IITs. Whatever you want to do, we are there with you. Me, my entire team and the entire team of Unacademy are standing there with you in order to empower you to get whatever you dream of. And my dear friends, one more thing, our free initiatives are not only restricted to YouTube, but they are also available on the Unacademy Learning app. So download the Unacademy app and then click on any free initiative. You can access it by using the code ANKITESE. This will be the unlock code which will help you access any free initiative. Now, let's see. So this is the vacancy, Assistant Engineer Electrical and Mechanical Trainee. The pay scale is from 15,600 to 39,100. Okay. And according to 7th Pay Commission, this will be mapped to 56,100 to 1,77,500. Okay, and there are other variables as well. Don't think that it is the enhanced salary. There is dearness allowance, HRA, travel allowance. All those facilities are there in every government job. Now the vacancies have been divided. In general, unreserved total vacancies are 16. In OBC 26, SC 24, ST 2, EWS is 4. That is 72. For civil, general is 2, then OBC 3, SC, ST 1 each, and EWS is 0. So that is how they have divided the vacancies among different categories. Now, my dear students, let's see more about this. So, essential qualification. You need to have a knowledge of Hindi in Devanagari script. That is, Hindi language knowledge is necessary. And for electrical and mechanical trainee, you should have a bachelor degree in electrical, electronics, mechanical, power engineering, power system engineering, okay, or the degrees which have the word electrical, electronics or mechanical. That is, if your degree is instrumentation, then it will not be accepted. But yes, electrical and instrumentation will work, electronics and instrumentation will work. So those sort of degrees will be accepted, but they must have the word electrical, electronics or mechanical. Okay. Other than that, power engineering and power system engineering are also eligible to apply. Similarly, for civil, they must have a degree in civil or the degree in any branch which contains the word civil. Okay, as simple as that. Now, what is the selection procedure? The selection will be done on the basis of a written test of 3 hours, okay, containing part 1 and part 2 in the concerned subject, and after the written test, there will be an interview of the shortlisted candidates. For written test qualification, you have to get 40 marks for general and OBC and 30 for the SC category in both the papers. So there are 2 papers, part 1 and part 2. You have to qualify both and then you can sit in the interview. Okay. Now, your final selection will be based on the total aggregate of the marks. That is the written test as well as the interview. But my dear friend, if you see the weightage of the written test is 88%, so it is very, very necessary that you get at least 88% marks, or sorry, that you get good marks in the written test, because the major weightage belongs to the written test. Okay, so then if you have very high marks in the written test, then interview, even if it does not go that well, that is still fine. Now, part 1 contains 50 questions for 50 marks from general awareness, aptitude and reasoning. The part 1 has 1 mark questions, 50 questions for 50 marks, and the second part has 126 question for 126 marks. Okay, that is one category is electrical and mechanical and the one is civil. So now my dear friend, what will happen, as far as I have read the notification, that means they are going to conduct a one common paper for electrical mechanical and one separate paper for civil. Now what can I advise my electrical and electronics student? That if you have basic idea or the basic knowledge that you might have gained for airport authority, that is the basic mechanics, the basic fluid mechanics, thermodynamics, then you can do some part of that mechanical questions and you can target the entire paper of electrical. Because this is quite absurd that the electrical and mechanical have been grouped as a single category and their paper is also being conducted in a unified manner. But if that is happening, what I can expect is they will be making the paper more like airport authority, where the questions are from basic physics rather than into the core branches. But if that happens, they ask the question from the core branches, then it will be unfortunate for both electrical as well as mechanical. Okay. Next thing is, minimum 21 years age is required and maximum 42 years on 1st of Jan 2021. The centers will be at Dehradun, Haridwar, Srinagar, Pantnagar and Almora. Now, if you are going to appear for this test, make sure that you visit Uttarakhand because it is a very beautiful place. Now, the application fees is 800 rupees for general and OBC category and 400 for the SC/ST category. Okay, definitely this is higher as compared to HAL. So, make sure that you understand the notification very, very well before you invest your 800 rupees for this examination. Now, what is the application process? The application process has started from 17th March 2021. Okay, 17th March 2021, the application process has started. So, you have to visit their website. You have to visit the website of UPCL. There you will find the application form. Okay, you have to submit the online application by 16th April. That means you have 1 month here. And within the next 10 days, you have to send the hard copy of the application form. That is, it is not a complete online application. It involves sending the self-attested copy of enclosure by speed post. Remember, don't courier it. Don't courier it. Because my friend, whenever a government exam asks for the hard copy of form and documents, always send it by speed post. Do remember that. So you have to do it within the 10 days. That is, the deadline will be 26 April 21 midnight. Okay, that will be the deadline. And when the exam will be conducted, the exam will be conducted within 10 to 15 days of last day of last application day. Okay, so remember this. So please go through the notification in detail, and if you believe you should appear for it, then definitely go for it, and if you don't feel like going for it, then you can skip it as well. Now my friend, if you want to prepare, you will find immense help on this link, tinyurl.com/AnkitESE. All my classes that I have taken since last year are available on this link, and whatever I am going to take in the future will be available here in upcoming special classes. Then you can also visit this link bit.ly/GateLive, the video book of our channel, where you will find all the videos of the past year along with their PDF notes. And you can also become a member of Unacademy Plus, where you get all the top educators teaching live on a single platform. And on a content point of view, they are providing you daily assignment, weekly quiz, test series, question bank, and if you have any doubt, your doubts will also be answered. And not only this, in one subscription you get access to all the branches, all the batches, 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, foundation, placement, interview, PSU, AE, semester. And if you miss any class, you can watch it recorded. Then you can also go for Iconic, where you will get a personal coach who will create a study planner for you. Even the teachers will guide you during the study booster session. You will get test analysis done separately for you. You will get study material and a dedicated team to clear your doubts. So if you use the code AnkitESE, you get an immediate 10% discount on the subscription. So my dear friend, don't think too much, join immediately. Now, you might be thinking why to go for Unacademy when we have the YouTube channel. Because my dear friend, on YouTube, serious study is not possible, and any course that we run is subject to the condition that attendance is there. If attendance is not there, the teachers get demotivated and they discontinue the series. So that means you can't ever be sure that a series is going to run until and unless the attendance is very good in that. But on Unacademy Plus, we make a commitment, we make a pact to the student. Whatever we have started, even if one student is attending, we have to complete it. That is the kind of commitment that you get from Unacademy Plus. You get a set of serious students who are competing with you day in, day out in order to get the top rank. In that environment, if you study, your growth is guaranteed, and you get lots and lots of support from the educators, lot of content as well. So it is a complete package, whereas YouTube is just a set of videos. But don't go for any recorded courses, because if you are thinking of going for any recorded courses, then YouTube is far better than that. Now my friends, I have recently started analog electronics from 17th of March on Plus. You can become a member of this batch. You can join me in analog at 7 AM. Okay. Similarly, for 23 aspirants, analog is running. If you use the code AnkitESE, my dear, your 1 year fees will become 27 to 25, 18 months, 34, 650, 2 years, 39, 600. I would recommend that you go. You can follow me here, guys, and you can always message me in case of any queries. Okay. And this is my Telegram channel, t.me/gateair1. Here you can send me whatever queries you might have. Okay. Here you will get all the lecture notification, whatever I am dealing on YouTube. You will get all the notification and all the notes. So thank you everybody. Do like, share and subscribe to this channel. And please hit that bell icon so that you get notified whenever any job notification comes live. Thank you.